नेम इज तेजस एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल सेल्फ स्टडी विद तेजस। तो आज हम सीखने वाले हैं आईएमओ ग्रेड 5 का चैप्टर नंबर 1 नंबर सिस्टम। तो वीडियो के अंत तक जरूर बने रहिएगा और लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो हियर मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट इज द न्यूमेरल फॉर्म ऑफ द नंबर नेम गिवन बिलो? 104,103. So 104 and 1000 means behind it will be 3 numbers and 104. So here is 104 and here it is 104 and behind it 3 numbers are there and 103. So 103 is here and here is 113. So means the option is the correct answer. And now second question. The sum of place values of all the digits of the number 729568 is dash. So here place values they had said. So means there are ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000. Means this is and lakh. So means this is 7 lakh. So 7 lakh plus 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 8. That is the number itself. Means the sum of place values of all the digits of the number 7,29,568 is 7,29,568 only. So means our D option is the correct answer here. And now the third question. Roman numeral for the greatest 3-digit number is. So for A, IX, IX, IX. So this is wrong because for 9 this is not in this form. So means this is incorrect. And CM means 9, XC, CM means 900, XC means 90 and IX means 9. So it makes a total of 999. So our correct answer here is CMXCIX. So now here fourth one, 90,090,090 is same as. So 90 million means 9 crore. I mean that one only. So now 90 million. So this is 9 million and 90 million is this. Because there are 2 zeros and then 90,000 and then 90. Means our B option is B option is correct here. So 900 then 90 and then one more 0 and then 90. And now fifth question. In 2,46,349, the place value of 4 at 10,000 place is dash times of place value of 4 at 10th place. So here 2,46,000 I said means the place value of 4 is 40,000 and place value here it is 40. So 40 into 1,000 will be 40,000. Yes. So means in 2,46,349 the place value of 4 at 10,000 place is 1,000 times the place value of 4 at 10th place. So means we will write here 10,000 and take the D1. Now I mean 1,000, sorry. So and take the B1. So now sixth one, which of the following Roman numerals is meaningless? So here CX. So CX is meaningful because it means 110. XXV means 70. I mean 25. And VX is meaningless. So means we will take here C1. Now seventh question. 5,25,215 can be written in international system of numeration as. So 5,25,000 means it will be 525,000. So 525,000 is here, means our option is the correct answer. And then what it is given? 215. So 215 will be as it is, and between them will be the comma. So here the correct answer is there. Now 8th question, compare and fill in the box. So here it is, CM means 900 and LX means 60 and 5 means I will write here 965. And now this D and triple C means 800, L double X means 71. So which is bigger, 965 or 871? This one only. So means our A1 is the correct answer here. And now let's read the 9th question. Roman numeral for 752 is. So here DCX. So DC means 600 only, means this is wrong. Now D double C means 700, L means 50 and I means 2. So means our correct answer is D C C L I R. So now 10th one. What will we get if we subtract 1 from the smallest 6-digit number? The smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh, and if we subtract 1 from that, we get 99,999, means 9 followed by 49. So means A1 is the correct answer. And now 100 lakh is equal to, so 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. So 100 lakh is equal to 10 million. So means here 10 million is the correct answer. Now which of the following options shows the successor of the number on the given abacus? So here what number is given? Here on the left side there are 4. So means 4, then 2, then again 4, then 5, then 2 and then 1. And now the successor of the number. So 4, 2, 4, 5, double 2. So means B option is correct here. And now the 13th question, round of the number 46,589 to nearest hundreds. So here nearest hundred will be, here it is 8 means 46,600. So here A 46,600 is the correct answer. Now 14th question, the difference between the place values of the encircled digits of the given number is dash. So here it is 50,000 and it is 8,000. So 50,000 minus 8,000 is 42,000. So here A option is 42,000. So A 42,000 is the correct answer. Now 15th question, predecessor of largest 5-digit number is dash. So the largest 5-digit number is 9999 and one more 9, and here it is given successor which is 1 lakh and then 10,000, then 1 million and D none of these. So none of these is correct because the predecessor of largest 5-digit number will be 49 and then 18. So means D none of these is the correct answer here. Now 16th question, which of the following options is arranged in descending order? So here 7777 common, and now descending means from biggest to lowest. So then 39, then 93 is given. So means this is incorrect. Now B, 8, 8, 8 and 8. Common 50, 50, 50, 50. Common 76, 76, 67, 67. Okay. Now 5, 7, here 745, 547 means this is correct. So B option is the correct answer here. Now 17th question. The face value of 3 in 721,348 is. So they have asked face value, not the place value. So face value of 3 will be only 3 in the number 7,21,348. So 3 is the correct answer. Now 18th question. Which of the following will be the greatest if each number is rounded off to nearest thousands? So if we round off it, so it will become 4,86,000. And now here it is given 5, so means it will become 4,80,000. 4,81,000. Now here it is given 4,86,702. So it will become 4,87,000. And here it is 4,85,320. So it will remain 4,85,000 only. So which is the greatest here now? C1, 4,87,000. So now C1 is the correct answer here. Now 19th question, select the correct match. So here how many zeros are there? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. Means 5 lakh and here it is 50,000. So this is incorrect. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. 90,000 and here it is 9,000. Again incorrect. Now here it is 1, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs. 1 lakh, 1 lakh and then 80,000, 80,000 correctly. Then 500, so 1 0 is given and then 500. Then 40, 40 and then plus 8, 8. So our correct match is C1. So C1 is the correct answer. Now 20th question, largest 5-digit number that can be formed by using digits 6, 4, 0 and 7 each at least once is. So means we can use any one digit 2 times. So they have asked to make the largest one. So we will use the largest number 2 times. So 7, 7 and then we have used 7 2 times. Now we need to use lesser number which is 6. Then more less 4 and then 0. So 77,640 is the largest 5-digit number that can be formed by using the digits 6, 4, 0 and 7 each at least once. So here D 77,640 is the correct answer. So now everyday mathematics question number 21. The height of Karan is CLX centimeter and the height of Sahil is CL II centimeter. Who is taller among them? So CLX. So CL means 150 and X which value is 10. So means it will be 160. So the height of Karan is 160. And now Sahil. So Sahil's height is CL II. So CL means 150 and then II means 2. So Sahil height is equal to 152. So who is taller among them? Karan. So A Karan is the correct answer. Now 22nd question. Sumit scored CDL XXX II marks in the annual examination. What is the Hindu-Arabic number for this Roman number? So CD means 400 L means 50, 450, and then XXX means 30. So 50 plus 30, 80, and then 2 means 482. So C 482 is the correct answer. Now Soham has 5 balls having digits 4, 2, 3, 1 and 7. The smallest 5-digit odd number that can be formed using this digit each only once. So they have asked the smallest. So first we will take the smallest number, which is 1. So here first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 and then 7. So we can see that this number is odd also and the smallest 5-digit also. So means our 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, D option is the correct answer. Now Shikha makes a profit of rupees 85 crore 3,55,039. Her profit can be written in Indian system as. So first one option 333. On 333 they have given the gap, which is international system, and the in the Indian system it is 3 and then after 2 digits there is a comma. So here it is Indian system 85 crore 3,55,039. So means our B option is the correct answer. Now 25th question. On some day factory A produces 4,12,250 tea bags. Factory B produces 3,34,278 tea bags. Factory C produces 4,24,358 tea bags, and Factory D produces 3,45,896 tea bags. Which factory produces the greatest number of tea bags on that day? So Factory C is producing, because here Factory D and B are producing in 3 lakh and Factory A and C are producing in 4 lakh. And Factory A, why not? Because it is 4,12,000 and it is 4,24,000. So 24 is bigger than 12. So means here C, Factory C is the correct answer. Now Achiever section, hot question number 26. 3 students, Badal, Vishal and Harsh, thinks 3 different numbers and makes the following statement. Badal: my statement is the successor of Harsh number. Vishal: my number is the predecessor of Harsh number. Harsh: my number is MMCDLVII. So MM means 2000 and CD means 400 and then LVII means 57. 2457. So Badal's number will be 2458 and Vishal's number will be 2456. So here means our A option is the correct answer. Now 27th question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? The place value of the digit 3 in the number 543765 is 3000. So this is correct because it is coming right here and behind it are 3 numbers. So it will be 3000. Correct. Now B. The place value of the digit 6 in the number 6734581 is the predecessor of 599999. So this is incorrect because it is given the predecessor, but it should be successor as number 6 is bigger than 5. So here means our B statement is incorrect. Now 28th question. Kanchan is thinking of a 5-digit number. The units place is an odd prime number. The tens. So the tens place digit is the predecessor of 1000 place digit. The 100 place digit is smallest odd number. then 10,000 place digit is an even prime number. There are only 2 even digits in the number. What could be the number Kanchan is thinking of? So, the unit space is an odd prime number. So, 0 and 2 are even numbers. So, means the option cannot be from A or C, only B or D. So, 3 or 5 is there. Means now, the 10th place digit is the predecessor of 1000 place digit. So here 1000 place digit is 3 and its predecessor should be 2, but here it is given 8. Here 10,000 digit is 9 and the predecessor of 9 is 8 and here it is given 8. Means our D option is the correct answer, but we will do all the means there. Now the 100th place digit is the smallest odd number. So, smallest odd number is 1. Here it is given 1. The 10,000 place is an even prime number. So, even prime number at the 10,000 place means it will be 2. And now there are only 2 even digits in the number. So, 2 and 8. 2 are even numbers, means our D option is the correct answer. Now, 29th question. Select the correct option. A. 3249 and she has written like this. Here I don't know. So mm means 3000, cc means 200 and then xl means 40 and then x means 9. So 3249 means our A option is the correct answer. Now P, match the columns. Column 1 to the column 2. So 36 lakh 5408. So here it is 36 lakh and what next 5000, but here it is 75,000. So here it is 5,000 means P2 4 means our option can be from A or B. Now Q, 5,485,962. So 5 million is on 1 and 3. Now 85,000. So here it is 85,000. Here it's also 85,000. Now 962. So here it is 962. Here it is 428. Means Q will go to 1. Q to 1. So on both there is Q to 1. So now R1. So 3 million. So 3 million is here only because 36 lakh one was we match it to the P4. So now R will be means 2. R is equal to 2. So now R2 is on B1 means our B1 is the correct answer. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. थैंक यू.